Well, this has been something that has been spoken about in the past as well, where few teams have said that it's inconsequential and they haven't felt motivated to be playing that series. I would agree with that if something like that happens at the fag end of a big tour. But I think at the start of any tour, if whatever games you're getting to play, it's obviously you're as excited, as the other team, and you don't feel like there's no point of playing these games, especially when you're playing against a strong side like England, who have been playing good cricket. You have a chance to test yourselves, your skills as T20 players, and that's something that we're looking forward to. But yeah, the major tournament being away, I think it gives you an opportunity to try a lot of players, try a lot of bench strength, a lot of fringe players that you might look at potentially in the future as well, test their characters. So we certainly are in that zone as well. We're going to try a lot of people in T20 cricket in the future, and see where their skills are, where their mindset is, and work out accordingly who's the next lot to come in, especially to the limited overs format, and then from there on they can build on it and probably play Test cricket as well. Looking at the weather now, not at all. I mean, it's it's as dry as I've seen it ever, and the point was that we haven't played in those wet and damp conditions ever as a team. And having spoken to the guys who've come here and who've played, they said it was a great experience for them, learning a lot more things about their games. Especially I spoke to Pujara and Nishant as well, who've been here before, and they said it's a great side to be a part of. It's a great time to play cricket there, and as a cricketer, you look for new challenges every now and then, and that's something that I wanted to go and experience, because we don't get to play so much cricket here before we come on tour. That was the main reason behind, because all these guys come during the IPL and they get a feel of all how the wickets are and all those sort of things. So from that point of view, I thought, why can't we do it? Why can't we go over and play in those conditions and get to know and get to know how the pitches work and all that. But looking at the weather, it's totally opposite to what it was, when the season was going on. So I don't think it's something that, in hindsight, when I look at it now, would have made too much of a difference for my preparation. Well, we're certainly going to be a lot more flexible. The idea of having guys go up and down the order there was give everyone a go. Guys would score in the first game and who wanted game time in the second. But we're going to be very flexible as a batting unit. We're not going to be one-dimensional, and that's something that we've spoken about as a batting unit. And we could throw in surprises here and there through the whole length of the batting innings, and because it's not such a long batting innings, you can afford to do that. Even if the situation is not ideal, after taking a decision, you can still work on it, capitalize a bit. But again, you got to be positive. So there's not much time for you to think about if the situation has gone wrong or it hasn't. We certainly have to go on with the game, and that allows us to be a lot more flexible, and that's something that we're definitely going to look at doing this in this series. Surprisingly, or funnily enough, I don't think from the public or the outside point of view. Even when we came here for Champions Trophy, that was the first question that was asked, and my reply was, I'm just looking forward to having a good time here. It doesn't matter whether I get runs or I don't get runs. What I want is the team to play well and the team to win. Obviously, you want to perform as a individual as well, but I haven't set any benchmarks or a target to come here and do certain things which have to be special, just because the last tour that I came here on didn't go well. So I'm certainly not, expecting anything or putting any targets as such. I just want the team to play good cricket here, and I want to be able to lead from the front, and that's always been my mindset for the time that I've been captain. I just want the team to play well and myself to contribute as well as much as I can, and nothing changes here. I mean, for me, it's just a set of international games in another country, and the mindset remains the same.